Hale Library had an accidental fire that led to the temporary closure for the 2018 to 2019 school year. While students, faculty, and staff are waiting for the reopening of the library staff is asking students what they want to see with the new renovations. Tara Coleman, Web Services Librarian for K-State, says she has been working with the user needs assessment to see what students want.
As we do things, they can help us. So if we want to know when you're in the building, what do you do? Like, people were great at sharing that in the survey, and it's really helpful for us as we make decisions about what we have to purchase, where things go, and then how we interact with people.
With this user needs assessment being sent out to students, Hale Library staff can better prepare for students' needs. With the destruction of Hale Library in the summer of 2018, students are now wondering, where do they go to study? Although they found spots throughout campus, students are very eager to see the new Hale renovations. K-State student Emily Olchin says she is looking forward to a more study-friendly environment.
Something that I want to see at the new Hale, maybe more computer access and on different floors as well. In the old Hale, there was computers on the first floor, but not really in any of the other floors, and so that'd be really cool for me.
Trey Coleman, student, has one special request for the new Hale.
When it's opened up, I'd like to see like a coffee shop and places to like study, like lots of places where I can just use for getting my studying done.
Krista Everhart, library worker, says while students wait for the reopening of Hale Library, students should visit the library help desk at the Union and utilize the new study spaces.
At the front desk, I'm able to provide resources for students. So like if you come up asking for a certain book, we might have it on reserves, or if we don't have it, like as a textbook 2-hour checkout, we can order it for you.
With renovations being discussed, students, staff, and faculty are eagerly awaiting the return of Hale Library. In Manhattan, Monica Diaz, Channel 8 News.